Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a cold front that is slowly moving through the region this morning. It's going to take some time to get through the area. In fact, it's going to take all the way through tomorrow to get through the area. And that's producing some scattered broken cloud cover throughout the region, a few showers here and there. We're going to be at threat for more showers and thunderstorms, and it could become a flash flooding problem, especially for parts of the Philadelphia metro and also central and southern New Jersey. I'd probably throw in northeastern New Jersey and New York City metro as well, but we don't have flash flood watches out for those locations just yet. I think they will be soon. So let's walk through some of the observations. I'll explain why I have some concerns. But currently right now we have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, with dew points not that far away, basically in the upper 60s to mid 70s. And that's a really important observation because that tells us we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. So it's warm, moisture loaded, and we have scattered broken cloud cover throughout the region. Visibility ranging anywhere from about 7 to 10 miles. Again, most of these showers right now are off the coast, but our frontal boundary is right about here and not going to be moving all that much today. So keep an eye on this area and locations to the south. Why? Well, with this frontal boundary hanging around here, they're going to start to develop showers and thunderstorms right over this area here. That area has a lot of moisture. Now, you've seen me share this before from the SPC observations. This is precipitative water value, and it's really important to understand this, especially when dealing with flash flooding, because this tells you how much moisture is in the atmosphere. Now, anywhere between 0.5 and 1 is not too bad. A hit or miss shower, a light sprinkle, nothing that would be anything heavy. Your 1 to 1.5 inch range, some moderate rainfall, heavy bursts from time to time, but again, nothing that would be too significant. When you start to push above 1.5, that's when you start talking about your heavy downpours, your tropical downpours. And when you get to 2 inches of moisture in the atmosphere or precipitative water, that leads to the potential for torrential downpours. That's where you start talking about your half an inch, inch and a half per hour type rainfall events. I should also note that when we're dealing with tropical systems, like we were dealing with just the other week, your precipitative water values were somewhere between 2.3 and 2.6. So it kind of gives you the idea of the intense nature of a tropical system when you're dealing with heavy rainfall and why those can produce some really impressive rainfall events. So you get the idea here. You got a lot of moisture here, and you got a frontal boundary hanging around here, and any shower or thunderstorm that basically develops is going to be using a lot of this moisture. So if it continues to train over the same location or move over the same location, like we're seeing here, that can lead to quite a bit of rainfall, especially with a ground that's already saturated with the previous rainfall we have seen. So as a result, it can lead to some flash flooding or some urban flooding if you don't have your drains cleared from all those trees are down on your sidewalk, okay? So there is a lot of factors here to consider. Right now, the radar is generally pretty quiet. Watch for showers and thunderstorms to start to organize around here this afternoon and then track off to the northeast through our neck of the woods through this afternoon and evening. On the current infrared satellite picture, not much really going on. You can see this cold front doesn't pack a lot of punch, which means it's not really moving all that much. Not much in the way of any cold cloud tops. So lifting isn't all that impressive, but the potential is there. And when you have a boundary and a lot of this moisture, it can lead to some problems. Zoomed in a little bit closer to home, you can see more of a broken to overcast cloud cover setting up around Long Island right now, back down through southern New Jersey. That is one of the areas that's starting to see some lifting. Then we have some sunshine here that's going to cause some destabilization in the atmosphere. And then back here we have some low clouds in the Poconos that will burn off as we move on through the day. Again, your best potential for some widespread heavy rainfall will be right in this area right here for this afternoon. You still have a threat for showers and thunderstorms to the north and west of there as well, around the Poconos, northwest New Jersey, Catskills, Hudson River Valley, locations like that. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Frontal boundary will slowly sink through the region with showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. With the humidity in the atmosphere, your heat index will have the potential to push pretty close into the lower to mid 90s, so just be aware of that, while also dodging the showers and thunderstorms, of course. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, our cold front continues to slowly sink south with the threat for scattered showers, a few isolated thunderstorms, low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, cold front slowly continues to sink south. See this frontal boundary here? This is the leading edge of what we call a maritime air mass from this high pressure system right here. So we're going to be dealing with some scattered showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures will be rising into the upper 70s to lower 80s with all those showers and cloud cover. By Friday, that secondary cold front starts to move through with additional isolated to widely scattered showers. Not much in the way of precipitation, but it will bring a significant change to our air mass by the time we get to the weekend. Temperatures on Friday will range from the lower to mid 70s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. Now on Saturday and Sunday, that high pressure system builds south. You're going to get this easterly onshore wind. So as a result, more of an influence from the Atlantic Ocean. Scattered broken cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower. Keep it there as isolated. For the most part, you're just going to be dealing with scattered broken cloud cover. Low temperatures in the mid 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s. Your mid 80s are most likely going to be somewhere around the Delaware River Valley. As you head towards the coast, more likely right around 78 to 80 degrees. So definitely much cooler than what we have been dealing with. Now on Monday, a very weak warm front will be lifting up through the region as the air mass right around the Tennessee River Valley invades ahead of this cold front. So that's going to lead to the threat for a few scattered showers, especially as it's running into our maritime air mass. Low temperatures will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Tuesday, the cold front moves through in the morning with additional showers, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. And on Wednesday, high pressure builds in. I can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, you're going to have scattered cloud cover, dry conditions. Low temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast, with high temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to mid 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, we'll be having a premium discussion chat for this evening with live answers, me on video, answering any questions you have. If you're interested in that, please just subscribe, just $11 a month, and I will see you there. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.